What's up YouTube, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Golf Fleur collaboration with Converse on the Chuck Taylor 70 in the Burlap colorway. These drop on November 15th for $110 US or $140 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Curry and Egret. So these Golf Fleur Chuck 70s also dropped alongside another Chuck 70 in the Parchment colorway alongside a 1-star Burlap version as well. So this shoe was sent to me directly from the good people at Converse Canada, so much love to you guys, thank you so much. So as the nickname suggests, Burlap, this version of the Chuck 70 covers basically the entire upper with burlap. So with that said, the exterior has a very rustic look and it has a very scratchy feel to it. On the lateral side of the right foot, we have the words Golf Fleur printed on in reverse fashion. And then on the lateral side of the left foot, where this ankle collar area is, we have the Golf Fleur flower printed on in black. On the medial side of both feet, we have this leather patch with the Converse All-Star branding. Running up the center area of the shoe, we have these metallic eyelets, and then laced through these eyelets, we have your standard flat white laces. However, these do come with a secondary pair of curry colored laces as well. The tongue on these Chuck 70s is also constructed out of burlap, and then at the very top of the tongue, we have both the Golf Fleur and the Converse branding stamped on in black. Taking a look at the back end, we have this thick strip of burlap running up the center as well. So the inner liner of these Chuck 70s are lined with a very soft white leather, so this means of course your feet aren't directly in contact with the burlap, ensuring that they're not going to feel itchy or feel scratchy. The insole in this case is colored in this off-white shade. On the heel, once again, we have the Golf Fleur and Converse branding in black. And then as you take a look at the profile view of the insole, you can see that it's actually very padded, and especially underneath the heel where there's double layer of padding as well. So this toe box area, similar to all your other Chuck Taylor All-Stars, has this rubberized toe cap. The upper of these Chuck 70s sits atop this glossy off-white colored midsole. We have this reinforced ribbing pattern on the forefoot. And then taking a look at the back heel, we have the familiar Converse All-Star patch done in this tonal fashion. So flipping these over to the bottom, taking a look at the outsole. So this is your standard Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star outsole. However, as previously seen in other Golf Fleur collaborations with Converse, this outsole also has those floral graphics found throughout. From a sizing standpoint, so these fit the same to me as all my other Chuck Taylor All-Stars. So I'd recommend going one full size down from your normal Nike size. So in my case, my feet measures as a true size 10, but I got these in a size 9 and they fit me spot on. If you do have wide feet, then maybe you want to go down only a half size, as this toe box area specifically is quite narrow. But for those of you guys with narrow or just normal width feet, then going a full size down would be fine. Comfort wise, as with most of my Chuck Taylor All-Stars, so these are going to feel very stable, you're going to feel very connected to the ground, but they won't give you that squishy, overly cushioned feeling that other sneakers on the market will give you. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these guys look on feet. Generally speaking, I do prefer the Chuck Taylor All-Star model over the 1-star, so I was really happy to see the Golf Fleur line expand into the Chuck 70 sneaker. Of all three shoes in this pack, this one was definitely my favorite, so I was super excited when I opened up the package and saw these inside. Despite being a bit of a weirder material, being burlap, I think this color scheme of this tan color with the sail hits and the white laces really comes together very well, and it makes this shoe actually very versatile and very wearable. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Golf Fleur Converse Chuck 70s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram if you haven't already at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I sign off, one final thank you goes out to the great people at Converse Canada. Thank you guys so much for sending me over this pair. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.